Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to upload profile picture to Apple account on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, there are various ways you can use to do this. And the simplest and fastest approach is go ahead and open the phone app, click on contact, click on my card, then go ahead and click on edit at the top right, locate and click on edit on my card. Now click on customize, click on contact photo, then click on either camera or photo to select the photo you want to set as your contact photo on your iPhone. Select the photo and then adjust it. After that, click on shows at the bottom right to save changes. Then you should see the photo like this. You can just go ahead, choose filter or the duration of photo you want to set as your profile picture on Apple account and then click on next. Then go ahead and click on update and then click on done. Then click on continue. Now once you have the profile picture set like this, click on done and then that is it. So the next one to do is go ahead and open the settings app, and on the settings app you see your profile picture updated on the Apple account, iCloud and more, and that is it. So that's exactly how to upload profile picture to Apple ID account or iCloud. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.